20 divided by 5 times the quantity, 2 times 2. Go ahead, say your answer out loud, and prepare to be wrong. Most people tackle this like a pro. 2 times 2 is 4. Then you've got 20 divided by 5 times 4. And here's where people mess up. They think 5 times 4 is 20, so 20 divided by 20 is 1. Sounds right, doesn't it? It's not. That parenthesis doesn't glue the 5 to the 4. Once you solve what's inside the parentheses, you just have division and multiplication sitting next to each other. And guess what? They're equal in priority, so you go left to right. Here's the correct path. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we have 20 divided by 5 times 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. The actual answer is 16. You thought it was 1, but it's 16. You were off by 16 times. If this caught you off guard, smash that like and subscribe for more brain twisters that'll make you double-check everything.